The buffet lounge. It's looking so good. Blackish and gray shades here. You see that? Those chandeliers are looking so nice. So this is really a good buffet if you wanna come here, sit, eat, relax with your family and friends. It's good, awesome. This is the buffet at Grayson. This is a salad bar. Oh, here you look. So beautiful. Mango lassi. I love it. Very Uncle Joe. I'm gonna finish all those today. So here we have a raita, some chutneys, and oh wow, they have the golgappa as well. We'll show you how to eat it. Okay. We have papri as well, like with the crispers. Let's see what the dishes they have. It is dahi tikka and fish pakoda. Let's read it. Oh, here you go. White rice and the peas. So beautiful. Shadi paneer, okay, so beautiful. Paneer means like this. Look so beautiful. Wow. Next veggie and dal makhani. Let's reveal this as well. Oh wow, that those dishes. Awesome. It is looking, I think it's a special dish today. Chicken lemon pepper. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. It's so beautiful. I'm going to try it in a bit. Just wait for. The next one is butter chicken and goat curry. And here it is. Butter chicken on right and left is goat curry. Wow. Let me little bit bring up those pieces. Wow, very nice. Here's a dessert section. They're offering gulab jamun. This kind of Indian sweets in a sugar syrup. And the next one is Rasmalai. Wow. You see that. I'm gonna eat for sure this one as well. Awesome. Very nice.
So KB, how is the ambience?
This is good. But we're gonna try other dishes.
You are going to start with starters?
I'm gonna finish all those mango lassi today.
Oh wow, my favorite mango lassi.
I'm gonna take a couple of those. Wait.
Yeah.
Because I love those. I'm gonna take first those.
Golgappas.
Golgappas first. These are the starters. Oh, I break one of those. Then for golgappas you need some chickpeas, right?
Yeah.
And I'll show you how to make those. And do we need, which chutney we need? This is...
This chutney.
Which one? This one or this one?
You take both of them. You can take the bowl, small bowl over here.
Okay. So let me... And
Give me one.
yeah, take that one. This is the mint chutney, I think so.
I'm trying right now the mango lassi.
Are you trying? How it is?
It's mango juice, not lassi.
That's mango juice.
Yeah,
This is mango lassi.
but it tastes like mango juice,
Okay.
not the yogurt.
So let's try those.
Yeah.
Do you want to try them?
Make
Wow. Okay, let's try those. There we go. So the next course is I brought it in some fried fish, and this is yogurt tikka. Did we try it before?
Yeah, we tried.
Tried. I got some salad, and now we have some naan, fresh naan. So let's try the fish tikka,
Fish pakora.
fish pakora without any naan and any dip. So let's try that. It's good.
It's good.
It's good. Little bit oily, but it's a typical Punjabi taste. It's good. So let me try with the naan. Those are pretty fresh. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna dip. This is the kind of a, I think so, dip served with the fish. And I'm gonna make a rocket bite.
There's green chutney as well.
Yeah, no, let me try some onions, cucumber, and tomato. It's a big bite. Can I take?
Yeah, of
Can I-
course.
Oh man, let's try that. Good.
Good.
It's good. This dip is little bit sweet.
Okay.
This is sweet, but it should be tried with this mint chutney. This is spicy as well. Let me try that.
Good with mint
Super.
chutney.
Yeah. Super. Let me try this yogurt tikka.
Yogurt kebab.
It says tikka
Tikka.
there, yeah. It's kind of, you see that? It's a white inside. It's a yogurt, I think so.
Yeah.
It's a dry yogurt or something like that, and they I think so fried it. But let me try without any dip. You can feel the taste of yogurt actually.
Yogurt.
Yeah, but fried, not bad. It's good, good. So we'll meet you in the next course.
No, let me try.
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
This one? Let's try this. Oh, it's so.
Okay. I'm trying yogurt one.
It's not bad. It's good, right?
Oh my god.
Good. You want
It's
to try?
good.
You want to try the?
It's very good.
You want to try the fish? There you go. I think so. Fish is pretty much good.
Let me try the fish pakora.
Pretty much good. Yeah. Not bad. It's got all the
Flavor.
vacuum spices, right? It's very good.
Let me try it.
The dip. Yeah. And I'm gonna try as well. One more. See that? I like it actually. I love it.
With mint chutney is good.
It's enhanced the flavor. It's a little bit spicy as well, so it enhances the flavor as well. Okay, let's meet with the next dish.
Okay.
Bye bye. Okay, guys. So the next course is I brought it in. That is a lemon chicken, right? And the other dish is this is a butter chicken. And it's a goat curry. But the unique thing about the butter chicken is I saw they have a very big chunks of the chicken. You see that? I never see that before in a butter chicken. They have usually the small chunks, right?
Okay.
Yes, dear?
Yes,
They have the very big. So let's try. I'm going to try first with the lemon chicken with naan. We'll see how it is. And they have very big pieces as well, right? Chicken pieces, you see that? I'm going to dip a little bit this gravy. Right? And we'll see how it's going to taste it. very mild. It seems like they cook in butter.
Butter?
It's a buttery taste here.
Okay.
It seems like that. It's very good. If you like the less spices, this dish is very good for you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's very mild.
Yeah, it's very mild. Let's try the butter chicken. Right? You see that? So they have a very big chunks of the chicken. You want to dip in a little bit. It's gravy. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Let's try that. Yeah. Good. It's very authentic taste actually. It's very good.
So can we like the butter chicken?
Little bit on savory side. Right? Not sweet. Are you ready to try the goat?
Yeah.
See that goat curry. So let's try that. This is a goat with some gravy. Let's try that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Salty and mild.
Salty and mild.
Yeah. Like it's okay. Spices are okay. Very good. Awesome.
Let me try.
You wanna try as well? Let me make a bite for you. Which one you wanna?
The goat one.
The goat one? Okay guys, I'm gonna make a bite for Dia. And you want me to put in your mouth?
Yeah, please.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. Make some noise to show the viewers. It's good, right? Like not
It's good, but not too spicy. It's
not
mild.
spicy. Yeah, it's mild. I like it actually. Not bad. Good. Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay. See you in a bit with the next dish, guys. Bye bye.
Alright.